I would like to show you how to take off the protective plate on your YOLO box. Sometimes shit happens, as we all know. Today I got my package from YOLO, thank you. And now we try to remove the old one. The scratch starts over here and goes like this, and you probably don't see this, but there are 3 of them on my screen. Okay, let's try to move this thing off. I especially didn't take care of my fingers for a week. Okay, it's a little bit hard, but it goes off gently. Try to not broke it. Okay, it goes off. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. It goes off in one piece for now. Okay. Got it. Okay, we got it, but alright. Okie dokie. Here it is. I broke one, but still protect the right thing. Okay. Okay. And this is anti-Blu-ray shatterproof glass screen protector. Okay, see, it's original packed. And what we've got here. Okay. Plate, new one, right dimensions, and this is back. This is back. Got all your informations. Okay, this is the first one. first one. All right, and this is the second one. Because if you buy it on their shop, on their websites, you got 2 in $19.90. Okay, so let's try to put this together. Okay, let's try to put this together. I'm gonna take the first one after you clean your screen. Okay, let's try this. This is the back. pretty easy. Yes. That's all. Like, you know. Bubbles. Got to just... No bubbles. Okie dokie. Thank you, Yolo. Hope you enjoy.